Congratulations on taking your first step in gaining your energy independence by going solar. My name is Michael Sandoval, the contractor and founder of Supreme Solar and Electric. I wanted to introduce myself and give you a warm welcome to the Supreme family. Our number one goal is to provide you with excellent 5-star service to make sure you are always aware of where your project is at through the installation process. There are 7 steps in the installation timeline that will take anywhere from 30 to 90 days depending on the city. Those steps are site survey, solar plans, both electrical and structural, city or county permitting for the building permit, installation, inspection, utility interconnection and permission to operate, and the final step is turning your system on and producing solar power. I'll cover each one of these steps briefly. Site survey. We will come out, take roof measurements, and make sure the roof is in good condition. We'll evaluate the home electrical panel and make sure it can handle all the solar power produced. We'll look at the location of where we're going to install the solar equipment and any other special requests you might have for install. Once we have this information, we will request electrical and structural plans from our engineers. They will create the plan set for the city or county jurisdiction for the building permit. We will send you the final layout before we submit it to the city for your approval. Next is the building permit. This is typically the longest part in the process, taking anywhere from 2 to 6 weeks depending on the city or county plan check timeline. They will review the plans and give us full approval for the permit to begin install. Once we have the permit, we will schedule installation. Most of the time, installs only take 1 day unless we are doing a ground mount, patio structure, or there is an electrical upgrade that requires the utility. The next day following the installation will be the inspection from the city or the county. This is done between 8 and 4 p.m. and we can usually receive a timeline window on the day of inspection. It all just depends on which inspector they assign to our project. Most cities require a smoke and carbon form, so please make sure to sign that when we send that to you on the install day. After we pass final inspection, we will submit the final signed job card to the utility to request net metering billing and start accumulating your solar credits. You will receive 2 documents from us after the inspection for you to sign. The first is going to be the net metering application with the utility, and the second is the completion certificate from the finance company if you decided to use financing. Cash customers will only have 1 document to sign. Once we've submitted this, it typically takes 1 to 2 weeks for the utility to switch the billing over. Once this happens, we can turn your system on and give you access to the production monitoring and you start producing solar power. We thank you so much for your business and look forward to helping you through this entire installation process. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email us or call us at the office at 559-338-7269. We really look forward to working with you through this process.